Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So we're going to continue looking at the coloured $2 coins, and we're up to 2018. So I actually have never found one of these coins in circulation. So I know a lot of you have found plenty of them, but there just doesn't seem to be many where I am. So I've been sort of holding out on doing this video until I had actually found one, but I've never found one. So it was time to do this video. So at the time I was able to buy them in the 5 coin bags from the mint, and so that's the only way I'm able to show you these. So it's the Eternal Flame $2 coin, lest we forget. It says on there, and it's quite a beautiful coin really, and as it says, Eternal Flame, and that's what's the mint have tried to recreate, which is the Eternal Flame, which is at the Australian War Memorial. So there we have it there, beautifully coloured coin with the obverse of the Queen there, 2018. Alright, so mintage wise, interim figure of 3.4 million. So I don't think that'll change. I think that's where it'll probably stay. So it's an interim figure because they haven't announced the full figures as of yet, and that'll become known to us probably around November this year. Alright, so this is the C-Mint marked coin here. This is the way it's packaged. So there is the War Memorial, and yeah, I think that's the Eternal Flame there as well. So there's a little bit of information about the coin and the Eternal Flame, and there we have the coin, and it says that they've got a mintage of 40,000, which is usually the case for most of these C-Mint marked coins. So we'll just zoom in here and have a look at the C-Mint mark. And we have it up the top left there. I'll try and point it out. It's just there. It's the C-Mint marked version of this coin. So only 40,000 of these have been made with the C-Mint mark, and 3.4 million of the other one. So you would think I'd be able to find one. So current prices for an individual coin around the $4 mark. Give or take postage, for this C-Mint marked coin, around the $18 to $20. Yeah, 18 to 20, depending on whether postage is included once again. And these bags of 5 coins, which were available from the mint at the time for $10. So they cost at face value, which is always great, and especially when they do the swap days. These things are now on sale for around the $20 mark, including postage. So yeah, well worth holding on to if you've got some. Probably don't keep too many, with the mintage being at around 3.4, but certainly well worth keeping the higher grade ones. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed this look. But well, just a little reminder, we do have a little competition running at the moment, the giveaway, only till tomorrow night, so make sure you get in if you haven't got into that one. Check yesterday's video, and best of luck with the entries. Alright guys, thanks for watching.